I'm Shannon Noack, and I am the Chief of Staff and Corporate Secretary for Solex Thermal Science. And I also administer the Epicor system within our organization. Solex has 3 locations in the UK and in the Netherlands and in Canada. We have just over 100 employees, and Solex creates customer-based solutions for indirect heat exchangers in the bulk solids industries. The issues that we were trying to solve by implementing Epicor were that we had data in all sorts of locations, and we wanted to find a streamlined process and a solution that would allow us to have a single source of truth for our information from sales all the way to product delivery to the customer and then service afterwards. Epicor helped us with that data silo situation because we were allowed to all work within one system across various departments. So we were now all working with one source of truth within the system, as opposed to multiple Excel spreadsheets or multiple Word documents or databases for different area of the business. It was now giving us a single solution for every area of the business. So Epicor has been used by Solex since 2017. We chose to be cloud-based to have a tool that was flexible for our growth and the fact that we were growing into different regions. We wanted to be able to have a solution that allowed us to be flexible with employees located in various locations around the world. And so it was really, what we were doing was gearing towards the growth of our organization and wanting to have as many of our solutions be cloud-based as possible. We utilize time and expense management, and then we're also looking to implement at our 2 manufacturing facilities in the UK and in the Netherlands, which will allow us to start utilizing MES and MRP as well.